Today I'm attempting a Pinterest expired DIY. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled A Pinterest Expired DIY Challenge, and it is hosted by Sanja of Domestic Diva. Now if you haven't heard of Sanja, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist for this challenge when it becomes available down below in the description. Now she asks us to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and the information will be listed down below. Now we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Now I want to start off by showing you my inspiration. I'm doing something very, very, very simple because your girl here is not a DIYer expert. Okay, I'm not an expert. Some of my stuff ends up in the trash. So this is my inspiration from Pinterest, very simple. So I'm going to duplicate that using items I already had on hand. I'm going to participate in a Pinterest inspired look. So I got this pumpkin that I used last year for my fall decor, and I'm going to spray it with this Rust-Oleum black paint. So I found a pumpkin on Pinterest and I'm going to try my best to copy it. So I'm going to spray this and we'll go from there. Alright, so I have spray painted it black, and now I'm going to let it dry, and then once it dries, then I'll go to my next step. Okay, here is the pumpkin dried, and it looks really good. I like the way the paint shines, and I'm going to share with you the items I'm using for this challenge. Now I'm using things that I already had on hand. This is a no spin. Well, one item I did purchase. So I'm going to separate the flowers so I can show you what exactly I will be using for this challenge. Okay, we're going to start off by using this calla lilies. Now I had this, bought it last year. I didn't use it. And then I have these leaves that I had from last year. And I'm going to use this. I'm not sure yet. I bought it last year. I never did use it. Now these look familiar to everyone. They have these out every fall at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and I might add, everything here was purchased from the Dollar Tree last year. Now I love the color of those. And those mums, the yellow ones with the little orange, burnt orange inside, and then the burgundy ones, love them. And these here are also familiar with everyone too from the Dollar Tree. Now let me move this stuff. And also I'll be using a pair of scissors, and I'm using some ribbon from last year. I thought this was beautiful. They had the little gold on it. I thought this ribbon was really pretty last year. I have two pieces that are already pre-cut, and then I have this roll of ribbon that I purchased from Amazon this year because I'm going to be using a lot of it around for the my fall decor. Now I'm going to cut two pieces of that, and then I'm going to taper off the ends. Now I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you watch as I attempt to recreate this and add my own little touch. Now I think it's coming along pretty good. Now here is the finished product. I think it came out really cute with the pumpkin and the checkered ribbon. I'm really liking this. I wanted something simple, but something that would make a statement. And I feel that this makes a statement with the black pumpkin and all the ribbons and flowers. I think it's going to look really pretty in my home when I set it up for my fall decor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you thought. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, you be blessed.